Welcome to the State of Alaska Division of Elections Secure Ballot Access site. You may access a ballot if you have applied to receive an online ballot and have received an email notification of ballot availability. If you have not applied to receive a ballot, visit the State of Alaska Division of Elections website to obtain an application. Once notification of ballot availability has been received, you can access your ballot by clicking the Download My Ballot button. Log into your account by entering your first name, last 4 digits of your social, and date of birth. Click the Login button. Next, click the Download My Ballot button. The introduction screen provides additional instructions on the ballot download process. After reviewing, click the Start button. Click the Vote Your Ballot button. Next, review the on-screen marking instructions. When finished, click the Continue button to proceed. To vote races and ballot measures, click the oval next to your choices. At the end of each race, click the Continue button until you have completed all races. Once you have completed all races, you will have the opportunity to review your ballot choices. To change a vote for a race, click the Click Here to Change Your Vote button. After confirming all selections, click the Continue button at the bottom of the page. Download your marked ballot when prompted by your internet browser, and then save to your computer. Once you have saved your marked ballot, click the Close button. Next, complete your voter certificate and identification sheet. You must sign, provide an identifier, and have your voter certificate and identification sheet witnessed for your ballot to count. Click the Continue Voting Process button to proceed. Next, choose a method to return your ballot. If you are not ready to return the ballot at this time, you can access the application at a later date and go directly to the Send My Ballot option. You have the options of returning the marked ballot by mail or by fax. By returning your voted ballot by mail, you are ensuring the secrecy of your vote. Click the Download button. When prompted by your internet browser, open and print your voter certificate, identification sheet, secrecy sleeve, return envelope, and instructions. Locate your saved ballot on your computer and print it. In the presence of a witness, sign your voter certificate and identification sheet and provide at least one identifier. Have your signature witnessed by a person who is over the age of 18 or by an authorized official. Fold your ballot and then place it inside the secrecy sleeve. Tape the secrecy sleeve shut. Attach the voter certificate and identification sheet by folding it around the outside of the secrecy sleeve. Fold the return envelope and then place the secrecy sleeve containing your ballot inside. Tape the return envelope shut. Apply the appropriate amount of postage, if applicable, and mail your ballot. It must be postmarked on or before Election Day. Finally, click the Next button, and then the Go Back to Home button to complete the voting process. By returning your voted ballot by fax, you voluntarily waive a portion of your right to a secret ballot and assume the risk that a faulty transmission may occur. click the download button. When prompted by your internet browser, open and print your voter certificate, identification sheet, and instructions. Locate your saved ballot on your computer and print it. In the presence of a witness, sign your voter certificate and identification sheet and provide at least one identifier. Have your signature witnessed by a person who is over the age of 18 or by an authorized official. Using the fax number located in your instructions, fax the ballot, voter certificate, and identification sheet to your regional elections office on or before Election Day. Finally, click the OK button, and then the Go Back to Home button to complete the voting process. If you have trouble navigating through the site, contact our support team at 605-444-5565 or 855-667-9708, toll-free within the US. If your information is incorrect, if you need to update your information, or if you have additional questions, contact the Division of Elections at 907-270-2700 or 877-375-6508, toll-free within the US. Or by email at akabsentee@alaska.gov.